Hey guys, had a big rainstorm last night. I don't know how much I'm going to do today, if anything, but just wanted to come out. I think I got my saw working again, no problem, but climbing over all these logs is a pain in the ass. Okay. All right. So that one. I kind of want to get away from where all these dead trees are because they're going to be hard to dig up. I don't know if I want to build the cabin here on the east side. Or I could go right here. On this side. I kind of like it here. One, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I could go this way. This way, huh? That would actually be quite nice that way too, right? Oh. I don't know. Let's see. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Right between these two trees. One end of the house, the other end of the house. Huh. If I put the edge here, that would go maybe so. Maybe so. Okay, be right back. Alright, got a bit better. Quite a few more logs cut up. We can actually start seeing back there again. So, yeah, got a few more logs to do. I might attack that one today, I don't know. Yeah. So, getting cleaned up pretty good. Alright. Okay, I got a few more logs chopped up on here. And my firewood stack's starting to get up there. Because I've been working on cutting out that tree. So you can see the big difference. Plus I cut all my logs up over there. So yeah. Getting quite a bit different now. Starting to look like Homestead could be built here. So I got a few more logs to cut over here. A couple more off that tree. But yeah, I think I'm good for the day. We'll do that and then we'll say see you later after that. Okay, so here we are. Got the front. That's the scrap pile and the wood pile there. That's going to be turned into chips, wood chips. That's my lumber pile. Those are some logs I've cut down. I'll go over here so you can see the other ones. There's the other logs. And then I cut up all the wood that was here. And I took out that old tree. Quite a bit of it anyway. Cleaned that all up. And now you can see how open it looks. So hopefully we'll get some more done tomorrow. But yeah, so that's the lot so far. See you later.